Excuse me. What the heck is choy? What is choy dai? I'm not understanding what is choy. But anyway, oh, that elastic is, I don't know, I cannot have elastic. I had to sit down and change my hook and I might have to put a bias. Elastic is not, I'm allergic to elastic. I still have to go to the north side, but I can't go because uncle has to go to work. Not go to work. He's preparing to work with the tree, so I gotta make sure that I gotta help him. But Lansky, what is choy? I'm not understanding what is pagkabuo ang daghang mo nahibawan ng mga sinulti as karsada na mura mo katong mga Amerikanong itom. Pastilan daghan nga pulot nga kuan sa karsada. Ya pag-abot ay nahibawan. Wadyo ko kadungog anang choy. Na donggan ako siga hanib or hanib, something like that. But choy, yeah, tira ka choy. Hello everybody. Welcome to back to my channel. Yeah, tira. That is very tough, boys. Okay. Hello everybody. Hi folks. Welcome back to my channel, folks. Let's go Altima. I have to. Damn, I was supposed to get me oh yeah, they might. Yeah, I gotta go and get my Filipino donuts. Well, go get some Filipino donuts. But anyway, since I have to do a lot of transferring, loading and unloading, I have to go car. I have to use a Bogoy clothes. This is not, it's just going to, but I have to do some digging today, and uncle has to do the I did the transfer, the shovel. I had to shovel the soil and put some more of the soil so I can transfer my cactus. I don't know if that cactus is out. Well, it's a different colors of aloe vera and cactus in the window, but I'm not so sure if that one will survive on the winter. But it is on the window planting, and one of them already get the flower. It's got a blue, green, red, something like that. It's in different colors. It come out like that. Uncle think I painted it. I told him no, I didn't paint that. It's like that. What is wrong with this car? You gotta keep on moving. The speed limit is 55, man. You're driving like an old lady of 25 miles per hour. What in the world? And this one is drunk, I believe, or they're just making a mess in the car. Keep moving! Golly, guys. Oh my goodness. She is so stupid. And then she don't know where she going. You see? Oh my God. She might get a heart attack. She's in the middle of the lane. It's not supposed to be. It must be a true Asian, Korean, or Thailand, or something. Yeah, it is. Stupid. Look at that. Now they're driving fast. It's so dumb, folks, that you have to deal with. Today is my junk day. I already ate my beets this morning. I still have cucumber, more beets and grapefruit. And excuse me, carrots. Oh shit, I still have to put my mask to go there. Well, I just hold my mask. Yeah, I just have to put my mask the other way. But anyway, as soon as I get my Filipino dinner, I'm not yelling, guys. I'm just a Filipina. I don't yell like this. Yeah, a lot of Filipinos boys are like that. They raise it up. It's just like they're yelling. But that's how the way it is. What is wrong? Where the hell are you going to turn? There ain't nothing to turn on the left. It's stupid. Unless you are building one of those buildings. Everybody is planting on this building. It used to be my Kia. Oh no. That used to be mine. It used to be like mine. That one is the biggest Kia. Okay, we'll get some. Man, the gas is $2.50. Wow, that's 100 and 160, 170. This is gonna be my lucky day today. It's a lucky day. Okay. Oh, ang mga pagantos mo. I'm gonna get me some big golf, maybe. I'm just gonna leave you guys for a while. Just put you guys in there for a minute. Just gonna get my nah. Unya pa ko mulakaw pod. Pagka hapon-hapon na kay magkuha og mga tambal ni Uncle. Ug kanang mga algodon ug katong kuan. Alcohol wipes para siyang injection. I have to get that. Bahala oroy mong inyo ha. And then papalitan ko pa ng side mirror yung kuan, yung I have to change the side mirror of my car because the deer, I don't know what's wrong. The deer hit my side mirror and I can't find the side mirror because he took it with him in his home. The side mirror one is $100 something because it is an electric, and I have to do that. I have to start early in the morning if I don't have any more errands to make or to run some errands anywhere else, because it's going to take for a while to get the screws and everything and then insert the whole locked it in on the side of the that door that I have to do it, so then connect it with the engine. I know how a lot of people will be surprised on how I know my routine on the car. I know how to change the oil. I know how to get my tire, put some air on the tire, change the tire. I know a brake fluid, steering wheel fluid, automatic fluid and stuff like that. So I know how to do that, but since I'm driving stick shift and I do a spark plug on this thing, but if there is anything that's major, I have to take it to the shop because I don't have anything to go underneath, like lift up the car, and you have to go in there to do that. So there's a place where you can do it, but sometimes it doesn't feel like going there because it's too far. So I take it to the shop. To fix. Yeah, I have to fix it later. Well, I gotta go bring it in because I will have to fix it. But anyway, I see you later, folks. Bye.